My name is Joseph Feeney-Ruiz. I'm from the United States. I've been living in Paris for almost 2 years now. I did the Grand Diplôme. I used to be a lawyer, politician for about 20 years and just decided to completely change my career, and Cordon Bleu seemed like the perfect place to come and do that. I always wanted to live in Paris. Best place to study food, best place to educate yourself for this career. Obviously Paris and Cordon Bleu has the best reputation worldwide, so that's why I came here. Cordon Bleu is an amazing opportunity to be able to do like 2-3 years of culinary school in 1 year when I did the Grand Diplôme, and now I'm finishing my 6-month program in Boulangerie. I didn't bake at all. I had no experience in pastry before I started. I cooked a little bit at home, but really coming in and getting the experience that you do here and the education and with the amazing chefs, I just was able to really learn. Boulangerie is amazing, and just bread in general is so fascinating because there's an art behind it. I've been enjoying every aspect of boulangerie since I started. And then it's amazing to have the experience coming from the Grand Diplôme and working within a kitchen and a restaurant. I'll be interning at Le Petit Grain in Belleville.
We welcome Joseph to the Petit Grain to finish his Boulangerie Diploma. Sometimes he would be working in the pastry section, and sometimes he would be working in the bakery side of the kitchen.
I get to do viennoise, I get to do bread, and I get to do even some pastry. I was able to learn to work quickly, to work efficiently, and to see the technique, to see the art, to see the science behind making bread. It's a wonderful opportunity.
This is the first time that we've welcomed someone from the Cordon Bleu training program into our bakery. We would definitely do it again. It's been a really good experience for us to learn exactly what we are doing in our business and what we want to be able to teach the next generation of bakers and patisserie chefs.
I kind of promised myself that I would do 5 to 10 years of studying, learning, practicing, working before I really kind of got into a place where I was going to be comfortable to try to open something up. But honestly, right now with boulangerie and cuisine, I'd love to open up a sandwich shop. So I think that'd be fantastic.